Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm SugarB. Today's video is a short snacks open box video. So I like shopping at IKEA and I enjoy the processing of building your own furniture. It always gives me a big accomplishment feelings. And when I walk in the IKEA store, I see this product. It's called self-assembling milk chocolate. So I can tie this product really good with other like assembling IKEA stuff. So it shows you like two steps to put your milk chocolate together, and it's a mousse shape. So I'm really excited to try this out. And I have good and also bad experience with IKEA snacks, but how bad it could be for a chocolate, right? So I'm really excited to open this box and see how they go.